Are you excited to learn how to create a profitable, automated AI-driven YouTube channel without showing your face? Channels are generating over $9,000 monthly by posting simple YouTube videos. Sounds familiar, right? You've likely seen similar videos on YouTube before. A few months back, a revolutionary approach to making YouTube Shorts was introduced and quickly became a trend. Numerous YouTubers jumped on board, but they all seemed to follow the same blueprint, often referencing the same channel and primarily focusing on psychology facts. It seemed too much of a coincidence, didn't it? Initially, this content strategy was hugely successful, attracting early adopters. However, as more creators produced similar fact-oriented shorts, the niche became crowded, making it harder for new creators to achieve similar success. Recognizing this, I decided to innovate, adapting the successful AI method but adding a unique twist to it. For this project, I'll be leveraging ChatGPT and Canva again, but I'm planning to elevate the content to a new level. By the end of this video, you'll have the know-how to set up your own automated, faceless YouTube channel that's ready for monetization. We'll be creating a 3-month content batch of YouTube Shorts in one go. Plus, I'll show you how to use AI to craft all your video titles, descriptions, hashtags, everything you need. Prepare yourself. The secret to the popularity of these videos lies in their ability to engage viewers and keep them hooked with quizzes and riddles, thus increasing watch time significantly. These types of videos garner immense engagement because they demand viewers' full attention to solve the puzzles, as evident from the comment section's enthusiastic responses. We'll focus on creating shorts, which are now monetizable on YouTube. Forbes reports that YouTube is actively promoting shorts, which have a high potential for going viral, aligning with the current preference for short content. Our first step is riddle creation, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. A simple request to ChatGPT for riddles might yield basic results, but here's where effective prompting is crucial. We will be using this prompt. As a recognized expert in riddles, your job is to devise 5 quick and captivating riddles for your audience. These riddles should be simple enough to engage and entertain your viewers. Each should come with 3 choices, only one of which is correct. Please format your riddles as per the table structure provided below. Then, I'll lay out the desired format and provide a suitable example. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. It has done a great job. I plan to request 10 riddles at a time from ChatGPT, as that's its limit per query. We'll continue this process until we have 600 riddles. After gathering our extensive collection of riddles, I'll organize them in a Google Sheet. This process can be a bit unpredictable, with sections like title, hype, and body sometimes extending unnecessarily long. I'll streamline these to simplify future steps. For the second step, we'll head to Canva and hit Create Video. First up, we'll select our background, navigate to the Elements tab, and search for your preferred background video style. Then, take the text from the first column of our riddle sheet and paste it into the Canva template. Feel free to adjust the text size to fit. If an all-caps style is what you're after, simply click the relevant option and choose your desired font style. To make the text stand out, we'll add a background to it. Choose a square shape, resize it, and select a color that complements the design. In case the background overpowers the text, we'll apply a black overlay and tweak its opacity to achieve the right balance. Finally, to position the text effectively behind the background, right-click, head to Layers, and opt for Send to Backward. Alright everyone, let's return to our spreadsheet and fetch the next riddle's text. Once you've pasted it in, pick a font and size that looks good. Next, let's spice things up with an illustration. How about a figure pointing upwards? That should do nicely. Canva allows us to remove the background for a better look. Looks much cleaner now. Let's animate this to add some dynamism. Hit the Animations button and explore the choices to match your style. Apply your chosen animation to each element on the screen. A crucial step next, right-click the text layer and select Show Timing. This feature is key for controlling when elements appear or vanish. Time to go back and copy the next part of the riddle. Position it appropriately, making sure the size is just right. We'll need a background for this part, so click on Effects and pick one that adapts with the text size. Then set its timing. Animate this section too. We'll now replicate these steps for all 3 riddle options. To duplicate an element on the screen, click and drag it while holding down the Alt key. Ensure that each new element appears after the previous ones have disappeared. Take a look at what we've created so far. To further engage our viewers, I'm going to add another animation to these elements. Now let's insert a countdown timer for extra thrill. Select any timer you like and adjust its duration as needed. We're almost there. Let's apply the same steps to the answer section of our riddle. In just moments, you'll see the impressive result of our creative riddle, and here it is. Feels like we're missing something, doesn't it? Music, of course. You're catching on from watching my videos, aren't you? But be cautious. Using Canva's music could lead to copyright issues. I recommend taking some time to find free-to-use music from the YouTube Music Library and upload it here. So, this is how our short looks now. Step 3 is simple and quick. Hit the like and subscribe button below this video. This supports me in continuing to provide valuable content like this for free to you to enjoy. Step 4 is where we really get into the exciting part. Here, I'll show you how to automate the remaining steps. Scroll down a bit and click on Apps. Then look for Bulk Create. Please note that this tool requires a paid Canva subscription, but don't fret, there's a 30-day free trial available when you sign up. Here's a look at the Bulk Create tool. Click on Enter Data Manually, then Clear Table. Next, return to your Google Sheets. Select 30 rows including titles and paste them here. Now this next step is vital. Right-click the title and choose Connect Data. Our goal is to link each piece of data to its corresponding text element on the screen, which will soon become clear. For instance, for the body text, select Body from the data connection list. Once all data points are linked to their text elements, they will be marked as connected. Then click Continue, followed by Generate. Just like magic, you'll have 30 ready-made shorts in seconds. But there's more. I limited it to 30 shorts this time to avoid repetitive visuals. Let's tweak the background and colors in the template for our next set. And there you have it. Our new batch of YouTube Shorts is ready, fully automated and AI-driven. To download them, click here and make sure to select Download Pages as separate files before downloading. The next step, Step 5, involves setting up your faceless YouTube channel and uploading these shorts with AI. This video is already quite lengthy, so I trust you can manage the channel setup. If you need help, check out my tutorial on creating a faceless cash cow channel, linked in the description. Pay attention to 3 key elements: title, description, and tags. They're crucial. For this, I'll use ChatGPT to generate all 3 in one go, tailored to your specific topic. Just copy and paste them into YouTube alongside your shorts. After completing all steps, press publish. Remember, regular uploads and creativity are essential. I encourage you to keep exploring and experimenting with this AI-driven method. Thanks for sticking around till the end. See you next time.